Hey, what's up YouTube? So today I'm gonna do a little, I guess a short video. This is gonna basically how to replace a wiper blade. So on my Corolla, 2016 Corolla S, wiper blade broke, as you can see right here. It actually is a part of it still from the original blade. And I've got some new ones here. These are Rain X, Expert Fit, whatever. But that's not the important part. I'm going to show you guys how to put your blades on and how to take a blade off and replace it. Yeah. Maybe. So, there's a blade. This one does not have the protective sheeting over it, so that's pretty good. But this uses a conventional style, which is the hook, as I just showed you guys earlier. There should be another part in here. Let's see. Is it there? Actually, I think that's just it. Oh no. So it should have had a hook something like that. Anyways, to replace your blade, you're gonna go ahead and do this. You go ahead and lift your blade to the surface position like I have up here. If you look inside, especially the hook types, they have this little notch sitting right here. You just slide that right on top of the blade. So I'll show you guys how to do that now. So once you get it started, it's just going to slide up in. I'm going to go ahead and bend the blade up and just push upwards until I hear it or feel it click. And it clicked there, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop this back down. And then from here, we can just let the blade back down and move on to the next one. All right, so I guess just to show you guys what this one, let me see here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a little tab you can squeeze in, like right here. You're gonna squeeze in, pull that back, and then it should release the blade. And we should both push up and release the blade from there. Let me go ahead and get that squeeze, and I'll be right back with you. All right, so now that with this style, you need to squeeze these to release this lock right here. So once you squeeze it, the lock releases, it goes and push up. Then it's gonna be the exact same thing we did with that blade, except this is gonna be the reversal. You're gonna push down. You're going to push down on this and then pop the blade out. Like that. Blade's been pushed down, so we're gonna go ahead and slide it off of the hook, which you see right there. And we slide you off. This blade actually still looked good. I don't see any cracking, any splitting along the edges. A little dirty, but it was still a good blade. But unfortunately, because this blade decided to explode on itself at some point, replacing them both now. So we're hoping the C2 fits here. So we'll go ahead and try that. And here's just a quick side-by-side comparison of both the 16-inch blades. Right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one and pop it on now. So we're gonna look for the hook on the top side. I guess we're looking for the loop on the top side, which is there. I'm gonna go ahead and lift this one up. All right, we've got this blade up. I'm gonna go ahead and bend this tab. I guess bend the little swivel point back. Drop this right on top, just like that. We're gonna try to feed it in, and then we're gonna push back towards the blade. And actually, here's a good shot of what I was talking about with the locking mechanism. Right here, there's a small hole, and then that's where the blade locks into. So we're gonna go ahead and just push in and push up. That one didn't click because I was holding the locking tab down, but push up. And now we have a wiper blade that's installed. And boom. Just a little quick short video of you guys, just so you know how to replace your wiper blades. I'll go ahead and try to replace a battery as well in the car, but for now, the Corolla's all taken care of. I don't remember what vehicles would require this, but this is just a separate piece for that plastic insert on the blade. You would just pop it out and this will let you adjust it. You've got 3 options to choose from. I don't need them. And then for disposal, I normally just take these, put them back in their packaging, and then throw them away. Plain and simple. But thanks for watching this short little, I guess, quick tip video, and I guess that's it. So peace out, keep moving forward.